Okay, this is a little fledgling, red-headed woodpecker. He's about 3/4 size that his parents are. Very handsome little fella. The male and the female have been with us for 2 years. This is the first time we've seen a baby. It's very cute. They've got a speckled underside, and then the underside of the tail feathers are yellow, speckling also in the wings. The male has the red head, and the female has a large black spot on her chest, a solid black spot, speckles, no red head. Now he's going to have a little bit of seed.